Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Well, first of all, I would like to say thank you very much for the times given to me. Now, let me introduce myself to you. Well, my complete name is Zainal Abidin. I come from Praya Central Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara. I'm an English teacher from Senior High School number 2 Praya. Today, I would like to tell you about learning outcome, especially for the third day workshop. It's about enhancing online interaction for learning management tools and language skill. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now let me tell you about the definition of skill. The skill itself is the ability of to do something. The skills mean that well or expertise. Now, after we know about the definition about skill, now I would like to tell you about the differentiate between hard skill and soft skill. The skill itself divided into two skill. The first skill is hard skill, and then second one is soft skill. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hard skill is teachable abilities or skill sets that are easy to quantify. This skill contains of a degree of certificate, the skills how to operate the computer, and then the typing skill or machine operation. So how about the soft skill? Soft skill is known as a people skill or interpersonal skill. This skill contains of how to do the communication, the flexibility, the leadership, teamwork, and time management. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as a teachers, we should know the objective of the teacher itself. The objective of teacher itself is the first one is you should help the students how to acquire knowledge. The knowledge itself consists of cognitive skill, affective, and psychomotoric skills. And the objective of teacher itself is help them or help students how to become good or competence, especially competence in speaking, listening, writing, reading, and many more. Another objective is we must instruct them how to get high moral or good attitudes. Okay, for example, when they are meet with the teacher, they should say salam or they should say greetings and many more. And the next one is be an example. Be an example here is the teacher should be inspirable or inspiration, or the next one is to be motivator. So it means that is inspire and motivate. The next is help student to shaping a student. It's mean that as teacher should shape the student to be a good, to be competent, and they can know everything. Yeah, it's especially for cognitive, affective, and psychomotoric. Well, next, ladies and gentlemen, the skill of the teachers you must focus during the online classes is the first one is communication. The communication, verbal or written. Number 2 is leadership. Number 3 is planning. Number 4 is be patient and empathy, adaptability, cultural awareness, teamwork, problem solving, and critical thinking. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in the communication itself contains a verbal communication itself. Verbal communication contains of oral and written. Okay, it consists of tone, okay, audibility, vocabulary, clarity in message. And the non-verbal communication, it's contained of friendly body language, okay, eyes contact, active listening, and avoid monotonous speaking. Next, ladies and gentlemen, especially in leadership you must hold attention or pay attention, make yourself heard, and then build your image, and then maintain core rules and beware the students' need. Well, ladies and gentlemen, especially in planning, plan, we must content when you are teaching, content of the material itself, the time, and then delivery method. The teacher should be interesting. Make it easy, use a visual or audio aids, and then conduct all activities. Next, as the teacher also, we must be patient and empathy. And then, as we know that, be strong but not rude, be kind but not rude. And the last, ladies and gentlemen, as a teacher also, we should know relationship between the teachers and the students. Well, ladies and gentlemen, between the teachers and students, they have got good teamwork in the class, especially in the online classes. The teacher should give many things like focus to give a good material using models, for example, like quizzes, like many management tools itself. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all about today. It's about learning outcome of the third day workshop, especially about enhancing online interaction for learning management tools and language skill. Thank you very much for your attention and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody and see you next time.